Hi guys, welcome to your channel Stock Market. From past 8 months, 8 to 10 months, the US markets are down. So and global markets are also down because of the rising inflation in US and all over the world. After Russia and Ukraine war, the oil prices are rising continuously. So that the basic reason for inflation is the crude oil prices hike. So now the oil prices are coming down to their gradual prices. So once the oil prices are down, the inflation will also come down. And in US, the Fed also repo rates increasing continuously from 50 bps to 75 bps, so that to bring down the inflation. So gradually in 6 to 8 months the inflation will also come to its normal position, and all the markets will again go up. Especially for India, it will be a very big bull market from next coming years, because the monsoons are good this year, and companies are doing very well businesses. Even some companies like Adani Power and Tata Power are doing projects globally. Other than India also they are doing projects, and you also know the EV segments, electronic vehicles is so demanding in the future also. So Tata Motors is doing projects with other countries for that electronic engine manufacturing. So they are once its revenue is increasing, so the profit will also increase. So in the coming years, India will be economically very strong, and the share markets and the stock markets will go up. In all the ways, Indian markets will make a big bull move in coming years. So please be ready. From all over the world now the investors are eyeing on Indian stock markets, so you also become ready. We also bring some very very good multi-bagger stocks, so that it can multiply your dollars, euros, rupees 5 times, 10 times, and so on. So keep watching, and please subscribe the channel, like it and share the channel. Let's meet on next video. Until then, goodbye, take care.